Alright guys, just pottering around today, as they say. Got a couple of little leftover nasturtiums here, so I'll poke those in there, I reckon. It's quite, not warm, but it's certainly just wet in there. It should be alright. Worth a go anyway. Okay, onions. Where should we have onions then? Ooh, I reckon along here. Yeah. Have to remember what's what soon. Yeah, I think go here. Right, these are those Mammoth onions. Not worth giving them a space of their own at home, so put them in here. Need a better tool for doing this. That's it. This is one compacted bale, I tell you. God. Let's try and dig a bit out. That's better. This is where you need a hurry knife. Something I don't own. Okay, a little bit of onion fertilizer. This is Chempac Organic. What is it? 657, sorry. Just a little bit on top, let the rain do its thing. I might actually water it in before I go home. Because knowing my luck, it won't rain. Oh dear me. Right, what else we got? Got some leeks there. I'm not sure what to do with the leeks. I'd like to try a few leeks in here actually. So, see how soft this one here is. No, that's a lot softer, yeah. So, starting here, yeah, that's a lot softer, this one. Yeah, I'm just going to put a line of leeks in. These are longer Heritage Seed Library ones. They're not the easiest thing to plant, are they? I think just make a slit and drop them in. I think it's the easiest way. Yeah. So it's all a learning curve at the moment. Can't see the leeks. They'll grow, hopefully. Okay, then one reason for coming up today is to decide where to put these obelisks. Now, they would have been good there. No, not there. Not there. No. No. Next one, no, that's got already. That's got two there. Yeah, I reckon that'll do it, you know. A little bit clinical with the beds as well, but I got loads of tomatoes to go there. Big thing there, big things there, another one over there, that there, that there. Yeah, that'll do. Right. Yep. If I keep on with all this tall stuff, I have no room for normal veg. Yeah, that'll do it. I can't remember if I told you, but I went back and bought a second one because they had brand new ones indoors and they weren't all rusty tarnished like this, little bit of spots all over them. So I said to them, what's your best price on this? Anyway, I've got them down from 17 quid to 12, so I was right there. Right, and I'll do this then. The wind comes from that way, so I need to get those. Three in each, do it at an angle so that the wind has to pull them out, if you know what I mean. Whew. They'll be alright for now. They might need a bit more reinforcing later when I've got more, got things growing on them. Should put my mallet really. Okay then, that's about it for today. Got a couple of those nasturtiums in there. I'm not expecting anything to happen really. Cut them five mammoth onions there. Longer leeks just in there, if you can just about see them. And there's the spuds I put in the other day. What else have we done? Got a couple of fuchsias at the start here. Just to make a little bit of an entranceway really. Nasturtiums are being yaffled by slugs down there, and the sweet peas just about surviving. I'll tie them up properly next time I come up. One more thing I've done today. Oh no, I put the obelisks up, done that. Yeah, got a few things to go in there, and this would impress my daughter Carla. I put a loganberry in there. Loganberry because my grandson's name's Logan and his nickname, well with Carla, is Berry, Loganberry. So here we are. That'll do for today. Yeah. Oh yeah, put the lid back on the better put the lid back on the box before it floods. Alright guys, might as well make full use of this working platform while I've got it before the plants start growing. You got to watch these buckets, mind. You get a lot of slugs and snails under the lip. I've checked these ones. I didn't see that big one there, though. That's for sure. Right, Mother Earth compost. Main crop potatoes going in. Usual routine. Main crops. About 3 inches in the bottom. Maybe a bit more. Doesn't really matter because I can push the spuds in anyway. Oh. Yeah. I'll do a little bit of potato fertiliser wherever I put that. Over there. That noise in the background you can hear, that's the groundskeeper, if you like, cutting the grass. Yeah, a little bit of potato fertiliser. I'll feed these again later during the season. And this potato is variety. It's the single seed potato challenge one. I'm only putting 2 in each. So these are my own. These aren't part of the challenge. I wouldn't cheat anyway. You know that. So I'll just show you what I've done with these. I've got far too many of these. In fact, that is all that's left of a 25 kilogram bag. There were that many entrants and that many potatoes. They weren't suitable, but I wanted to get ones with at least 4 chits on each, or 4 eyes anyway. So a quick look in here. So there we are, just 2 in each. And there were, like I said, about 3 inches of compost in there. Bit of potato fertiliser on top. And what I do with these main crops, I top them right up. There's no point earthing them or hilling them or anything like that. Absolute waste of time in buckets, because the potatoes won't grow out sideways to get green, you know what I mean? The idea of hilling up is to stop them going green, really. I reckon that'll do, innit? Yeah. Another bag of Mother Earth gone. We'll get some more. Right, a bit more fertiliser, and I'll just wheedle that in a bit. Like I said before, a lot of people say it's a waste of time doing this on top. Yeah, but the rain will wash it through, won't it? Well, that's the first job of the day done. Well, I've seen on some websites to put a bit of soil on top of the bales, especially if you're going to be seed sowing, soil or compost. Now, I'm not going to be sowing seeds, but just these 2 bales here, I'm going to put a bit on top, just to see if it makes any difference. I mean, in theory, the goodness from the compost should sink in, shouldn't it? So I get a few shovelfuls, a few spadefuls. It's not much. I'm only putting not even an inch layer, really. There we are, that'll do. A bit loud. And what I got as well, I got some charge to put on. Because we're into like general fertiliser now. We've stopped doing the bale treatment. Alright guys, I'm going to get this jasmine in here. A little bit of a slow release flower fertiliser. I reckon that should look pretty good up there. Now it says it's an indoor plant, but that's better. Well, I'm pretty sure it's not an indoor plant. Certainly well tangled. Good. I reckon that'll do it for now. Give that a watering in a minute. Oh, and same with this. Honeysuckle. Oh, sorry, clematis. Ville de Lion. Get that in there first. I think that's the best idea. We'll leave that. I'll try it. Okay, let's get a couple of these trailing bocani, what do you call them, in. Well, that's it for this show, guys. It's been great to actually get some decent timing up the plot. Not running away from the showers or standing there with puddles forming around your feet. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.